So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that we have this equation x factorial is equal to x cube minus x, and we have to find out the values of x that satisfy this equation. So let's see how we can solve this. So first of all I write that equation here. Now you see, if I put x is equal to 0, then you see the left hand side is 0 factorial and right hand side is 0 minus 0. So you know 0 factorial is 1 and the right hand side is 0. So this is not a solution. Similarly, you put x value as 1. So the left hand side is 1 factorial and right hand side is 1 minus 1, which is 1 is equal to 0, which is also not possible. So this is also not a solution. So 0 and 1 are not a solution. So what we can do, we can write this x factorial as this, like x multiplied by x minus 1 factorial, and we can also write x factorial as this x multiplied by x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 2 factorial, and this goes so on. Like we can again write x multiplied by x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 3 factorial. So here, if you see, we have this x cube minus x, so I can write this x cube minus x in this way, like x multiplied by x square minus 1, which I can further write like this way, x multiplied by x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1. So this is the simple form of this x cube minus x. Now you can also write x factorial in this way, like x multiplied by x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 2 factorial. Now we see 0 is not a solution, so we can cancel x. 1 is also not a solution, so we can cancel this thing, and we can get final thing as this. X minus 2 factorial is equal to x plus 1. So this is a simplified form. So now what you can do, you can assume uh, x minus 2 as y. So here we are assuming x minus 2 is equal to y, so you can write x as y plus 2. So this left hand side will become like y factorial and the right hand side will become like y plus 3. Now you can take this y to the left hand side and the equation will become in this form. Now you can write y factorial as simply y multiplied by y minus 1 factorial, and you can take y common and divide by y both the side. So this will come in this form. So now you can write y minus 1 factorial is equal to this thing. So now initially we see like x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 are not a solution, and our initial equation is this, like x factorial is x cube minus x. So if you put x is equal to 2, then it will become like 2 factorial is equal to 2 cube minus 2. So we know 2 factorial is 2, 2 cube is 8 and minus 2. So this is not possible. So x is equal to 2 is also not a solution. And if you put x is equal to 3, then it will come 3 factorial is equal to 3 cube minus 3. So 3 factorial is 6 and 3 cube is 27 minus 3. So this is also not a solution. So we know in the factorial, like we only do the factorial of positive numbers. So in our case, x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 are not a solution till now, and we initially assume y is equal to x minus 2. So we can say that easily, like y minus 1, which is x minus 3. So y minus 1 must be greater than 0 for any solution, because we know like x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 are not a solution. So this is y minus 1 is greater than equal to 0, we know. So this is the perfect thing, and in the right hand side we have 3 by y plus 1. So now what you can do, you can start by putting different values of y. Like if I start from y is equal to 1, because we know y is greater than equal to 0. So if we start from y is equal to 1, then we can get 0 factorial is equal to 3 by y, 3 by 1 plus 1, which is not possible because we know 0 factorial is 1. If you put y is equal to 2, then it will come like 1 factorial, which is equal to 1, and this is equal to 3 by 2 plus 1, which is 5 by 2, which is also not equal. So to the left hand side, so this is not a solution. So these are not a solution. If you put y is equal to 3, then you will get 2 factorial is equal to 3 by 3 plus 1. So now you see here, this is also 2 and this is also 2. So left hand side and right hand side are equal. So this is the solution, and we assume y is equal to x minus 2. So if y is equal to 3, a solution in terms of x is equal to 5 is a solution. So we get one solution, which is x is equal to 5. Now you see here, this uh, our equation I can write here like y minus 1 factorial is 3 by y plus 1. So this side is increasing. If I increase y, then this side will also increase. But if I increase y, then this side will decrease. So now you see, now we find the solution like y is equal to 3. So for y is equal to 3, this side and this side are matching for y is equal to 3. So now if you increase the value of y, the right hand side will decrease and left hand side will increase. So there is no more solution. Now for any values of y greater than 3, they will not match. So the only solution possible is x is equal to 5. So in this way we can solve this.